topic is e-banking. E-banking involves the electronic banking. All the banking transactions which are done with the help of the electronic transfer, some one electric mode to the other electric mode, that is involved in the e-banking. As the word e means electronically, means digital or digital banking or digital oblique electric banking. Payment in a system of making online payment without involving physical exchange of money. The money is transferred from one account to pay the account of receiver through internet facility. That banking or that transfer is known as e-banking or e-transfer of the funds. So there are several facilities while we are using the e-banking facilities. So the next is benefit of e-banking to customers. So these are in these days, this is very beneficial to transfer the funds from one account to another account with the help of the e-banking. So the benefits of e-banking are as follows. The first is digital payment and transparency. So the digital payment, in these days, the digital payments are so popular. So with e-banking, this is possible for digital payment to import transfers in financial statement while we are sending the funds from one place, one account to the another account. That is known as digital payment and transparency. The next is 24/7 services. It means 24-hour services for a 7-day into 365. It means they are never stopped. They are regularly, anytime, anywhere you are. If you want to transfer the funds, but you only have a digital gadget with internet facility, then you use the 24-hour into 7. It means all the 7 days, all the 24 hours, the services are available. That is the benefit of the e-banking. E-banking provides 24 hours, 365 days a year service to the customers of the bank. The next is convenience. So the customer can make some of the transfers from office or house or while traveling through mobile phone. Anywhere he is there and he want to transfer the funds, it is easy. While sitting on one particular place, he transfer the funds or he receive the funds. But the facilities to be provided with the electronic banking, so they have done internet facility. So it is convenience to transfer the fund from any place. So not to go to the particular bank and he sitting in their house and transfer the funds. The next is financial discipline is there. E-banking includes a sense of financial discipline by recording each and every transaction. The next is unlimited access. It is a facility while sitting at one place and use their account, a number of times. There is no limit to use the e-banking. E-banking leads to greater customer satisfaction by offering unlimited access to the bank, not limited by the walls of the branches. While when we go the bank branch, it is a limited and a specific time to open it and close the bank. After closing the bank, we are not getting the banking facility. But in e-banking, there is no opening and closing of the bank. In each and 24 hours, the transaction can be opened and a customer can use an unlimited access on their account. The next is less risk. There is a greater security to the customers as they can avoid traveling with cash. While the customer in these days, the loss of theft and the number of other snatching of funds are there, but this is a secured facility provided the bank without taking a cash. They are transfer the funds from one place to another place. So that involves the less risk while transferring the funds there.